groups at the top of the stairs. There are 2 lines, one to the left and one to the right. Please pick the short of the 2 lines. Keep your party together. And welcome. Once again, at the top of the stairs, there are 2 lines, one to the left and one to the right. Please pick the short of the 2. Keep your party together. And welcome to the world-famous jungle cruise for a famous jungle. Middle name.
Into his heart like a soul. Couldn't you go where my loved one is dreaming and
My beautiful dog. Now wave goodbye to the people on the dock. Because you're never going to see them ever again. Uh-oh. Well, hello and welcome, folks. My name is Alyssa. And I will be your skipper for today. Woo! But of course, we need to go over some safety precautions. I know, right? Safety. Remain seated at all times. Hands up, feet and legs inside the boat. And watch your children, because I am not watching them for you. All right, the reason I stopped the boat's gonna get a little misty right here. Oh, I know it's a little cold. But does anybody want to see some danger today? What does that say? Oh, well, there you go. And it's in all caps, folks. So that means it's true, of course. Over here to the right, we have our famed archaeologist, Indiana Jones, inside of this lovely temple, looking for some treasure. Why is he looking over there? I am perfectly standing right here. We're going to take a look to the left. Oh, that is a 500-pound tiger. He jumps up to 20 feet, and we are only 15 feet away, so I believe he'll just jump right over us. But this is the part that I need your guys' help the most. Wave goodbye to my high school friends. Oh, you know what I wanted to We are entering the elephant pool. Aww, take videos, take pictures, it's okay. They all have their trunks on today, and it looks like the whole herd showed up for you guys. I'm a little jealous. Well, let me tell you, that's a little unheard of, alright? Very beautiful. Oh, birthday girl, I did not forget about you, I promise. He has been in that shower for 4 to 5 days. You can tell by all of her But you see, hey, you're embarrassing, aren't ya? Go down. Too cold. All right, it's a little fun. Duck, duck, duck. Goose, ah! We almost got the squirt. That was a good one. I'll give it to you. Whoa! Explosion! Let's get a closer look, shall we? Uh-oh, looks like the monkeys have gotten a hold of our sample. They're running this shallow box of corn. And very irresponsible. They left those lights on the side of that truck over there. Yeah, looks like they're calling the shots over here. But this is actually my favorite part. I'd like to point out some plants to you guys, if you don't mind. We have a plant over there, a plant over here, and one right there. Bamboo does go up to 60 feet, but I like to say 70 because why not? And wave goodbye to Schweitzer Falls. We'll visit you soon, I promise. But now, we are down the Nile River, where we will be going for Nile. And Nile. And Nile. And if you don't believe me, folks, you're a little into Nile yourself. Go ahead and take a look to the left. What does that just say? That is our African Veldt. Take a great look. It's probably the last time you're ever going to see one. And we have Bobo. You know what? Bobo, speak! Oh, great job. I taught it myself. Well, now we're entering the African Veldt. Look at all of my beautiful animals. We have those tall cheetahs in the back. Yeah, those zebras must be old. They're still in black and white for some reason. And those lions are perfectly protected. That's tired zebra. Yeah, that zebra is dead tired, folks. Dead tired. And we have super zebras. This is why you cannot mess with a rhino. People always say, that's not quite right. Yeah. But if you've been in the jungle for as long as I have, you tend to smell a little danger. And I'm sorry to tell you, folks, I'm smelling a little danger. We are entering the hippos' pool. You start to see their ears wiggle and blow bubbles because they want to charge the boat. But I only charge cash around here, so we should be all right. Uh-oh. You know what? That's it. I'm going to go ahead and stand to you like I stood off my ex-boyfriend once. I'm going to give it a shot, but go ahead and cover your ears. Oh, well look at that, I scared them stiff. You're welcome, I just saved your guys' life. Uh-oh, looks like the chimps have gotten a hold of one of our boats, folks. They got a hold of a mic. Better take a listen. Oh, parents, cover your children's ears. I did not know he knew this type of language. Wow. That was rude. I was still wanting to sing. And now you're mocking me. Alright. Well, don't forget to see you in the morning, boys. I'm so sorry, folks. You're going to have a morning today, but we cannot want to talk about that. Over here, I like to call this the power couple of the jungle. One thing I can say is nothing ever bugs them. Yeah, you know, butterflies are just not the same anymore. You have caterpillars. I'm going to pull out your phones once again. Oh, I'm going to need you guys' help for this. 1, 2, 3. The backside of water. Oh, 2H. Oh, 2H. Oh, 2H. No? All right, we're going to take a look at my beautiful painting. A lot of people like to take this for granted. You get it for granted? I know, that was a good one, Alyssa. But you know what? My boss always told me this is the best place to catch some fish. Be on the lookout, folks. It's a little scary over here, I'm not going to lie to you. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Whoa! Piranhas! Let's get out of here! Wow, looks like they saved your guys' life. Once again, you're welcome. And it looks like we have a boa in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-T. So to buy your wallets, we are hitting Trader Sam's gift shop. We have that monkey up in trying to set a beautiful record. Oh, that's the best box image I have ever seen. So go ahead and smile. Because you guys are getting your photos taken. Oh. So sorry, folks. So just to let you guys know, that was not water. Well, congratulations, you guys just survived the world's most famous jungle cruise. Woo! But of course, remember to remain seated at all times, hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. and watch your children. But also your phalanges and your elbows inside the boat. I do not want to scratch up my beautiful dock up there, okay? If you see, we do have 2 docks, one on the right, one on the left, and that is what we call a paradox. Why aren't you guys all laughing? That's a funny one.
Because if they lifted both up, they would fall down.
Ducks? That's interesting. That's what they are. They're ducks. That's the end of the statement. They're ducks.
All right, well, thanks for your patience, folks. You guys have been an outstanding crew today. But now, it's time to see you outstanding on that dock. And outstanding somewhere else, please. What I guess I'm trying to tell you is I love you. Aww, I know. One more thing. Get out.
Watch your step. Use that handrail. Have a great day, guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.